Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to create a free Salesforce account. Let's dive in. To get started, click on link in description to go to Salesforce. Fill out the sign-up form with your name, email address, job role, select developer, company, country, select India, state/province, postal code, and username. Use the same as your email ID. Agree to the service agreement and click Sign Me Up. After signing up, you'll receive an email to verify your account. Be patient, as this may take around 5 to 10 minutes. Once you receive the email, click on the verification link to activate your account. Next, you'll be prompted to reset your password. Make sure to create a strong password that meets the required criteria: 8 characters, 1 letter, 1 number. Now that you have a free Salesforce account, take some time to explore the different features and sections, including Object Manager, Home section, and Profile settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your questions in the comments below. Happy learning!